their own assembly, their own choice, that they have now woken up thanks to Supreme Court that we are going to have elections.
Are you going to contest assembly election?
Yes, are you not allowing me to contest? I will contest. For God's sake, wait till the elections are over and we win. We'll bring you there and I'll announce on front of you who's going to become the Chief Minister.
We are now being joined by National Conference President and former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Dr. Farooq Abdullah. Dr. Abdullah, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India today. Dr. Abdullah, your reaction?
I'm very happy, extremely happy, that after so many years of denying this Jammu and Kashmir their own assembly, their own choice, that they have now woken up thanks to Supreme Court that we are going to have elections.
So your party had earlier said that you wanted statehood to be restored first and then assembly elections to be held. Now it doesn't seem that statehood will be restored before the assembly elections.
They will have to restore one day, whether before or after. There's no way they're going to deny that right to the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Your party's Vice President, Mr. Omar Abdullah, has categorically said that he's not going to contest the assembly elections till statehood is restored. Are you going to contest? Are you going to contest?
Mahbooba Mufti is not going to fight election.
Are you going to contest? Are you going to contest assembly elections?
Yes. Are you not allowing me to contest? I will contest.
And will you be the chief ministerial face of the party?
That will depend. It's a democratic party. They will decide at that time who should lead the party.
If the party decides to project you as their chief ministerial face, are you ready to take this responsibility?
I will at that time think about it.
What if after the elections your party manages to get majority and if your party asks you to take up the mantle, and are you going to, take up the chief ministerialship?
I have told you the decision will be mine at that time. I will see whether I will take it up. I want better relations with the center so that the state could progress, and that is what we'll work on.
But if your party asks you that you should, take this responsibility.
For God's sake, wait till the elections are over and we win. We'll bring you there and I'll announce on front of you who's going to become the Chief Minister.
Dr. Abdullah, one important thing. Is your party going to go solo in these assembly elections or are you going to fight these elections in an alliance?
As far as I'm concerned, I wanted to fight it alone. But the question is, the party will decide. Party will decide whether we should have alliance as we had it in parliamentary election. And you will know. And I get back to Srinagar and we had our party meeting. We'll announce at that time what we are going to do.
Because in the parliament elections, there was no understanding between the National Conference and the PDP. So is there any possibility that both of these parties, your party and Mehbooba Mufti's party, can enter into a pre-poll alliance?
Depends on the party. It is the party that will decide. It's not Farooq Abdullah who can decide.
So what you are saying is that Farooq Abdullah is not going to retire.
Bachalajam.
Farooq Abdullah is not going to retire.
Why should I retire? Am I so old and blind? I'm still young. Age doesn't affect you. It's how you feel. Our people need a better future. Everyone. We are completely denied a good future. Look at our people. Unemployment to the highest. There is no state which has this much unemployment as Jammu and Kashmir. Posts are lying vacant. And look at the other thing.
There has been a massive rejig in J&K administration. How do you see it?
The tragedy is this government that is there is a BJP government. They will try to put those officers that are helpful to them. I would like Election Commission, if it is really serious, to give us a free and fair election, to look into it.
Earlier you had raised questions on EVMs. Do you still stand by that statement?
Me only. For God's sake, why do you mention me also? The entire opposition has doubts about it. But Kapil Sibal ji has been very kind to make a complete graph for our agents to see. that it doesn't happen.
Dr. Abdullah, you spoke to us. Many thanks. So that was Dr. Farooq Abdullah, President of National Conference, speaking exclusively to India Today, and he has said that he is going to contest the assembly elections, and if party asks him to take up the Chief Minister's responsibility, he is going to do that. With video journalist Iraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.